you was up here, Steve, would you just tear up the floor and put a new floor down?
Yeah. I did. I tear the wall.
Tear the wall. I mean, you know you're gonna tear the wall down.
What is this thing? Just
Is this a 2-bedroom? They can't count this as a bedroom, right?
Well, the thing is, the city with the code, they require a bedroom and a register for like heating and cooling. So they got that.
Oh, I thought it had to be a closet.
In the closet as well, you have to have both.
Right. Okay.
Now I don't know if
It's supposed to be their closet.
No.
I don't think you can count that as a.
No.
No, I doubt it.
No, you can't. You can't count it as a bedroom. I said it was a closet. I thought it was a closet. You could have. But so is there 2 bedrooms downstairs?
I don't even know.
This should be. I thought we wanted.
Dining room. Bedroom. Oh, there's 2 bedrooms down there. That's a little fucking bedroom. Dang. That's little.
There's no closet in here, though. That's the thing.
Yeah,
Wow.
they can't say it's a bedroom. They can't.
No heat. Oh well,
Yeah.
but still no closet.
Yeah, I can't believe that.
That's weird.
If you don't have a closet, if it's not a closet, you can't consider it a bathroom. You know.
Yeah, this bedroom, you got them. It's really only 1 bedroom.
Yeah.
And look how this. My bed wouldn't even fit into this motherfucker.
It's a weird layout, man.
Yeah, it is. I've never seen one like that.
You can't knock this wall down?
Mm-hmm.
Man, I don't know if it's a supporting wall or not.
Wait.
Or cut through it?
No.
It's not a supporting beam.
No, this is.
Oh, it is?
Yes. This one and that one is. That's 2 of them. That's the 2 main ones.
So you couldn't cut through the middle.
No. I mean, you
couldn't cut through this middle?
Yeah, you can. Yeah. You can do that like that. You know how that is. You can do that because you can put a header up on top.
Yeah, on top, yeah.
Yeah, you can do that.
They ain't gonna sell this motherfucker.
Just because of the layout.
Yeah, I mean,
they're asking $22,900. I mean, it's the same price range as the one around the corner. Honestly, I think that one's probably a better buy.
yeah.
Then you got to deal with that back area.
Yeah.
You know.
You know me, I wouldn't.
I don't know.
That's a shame.
This was really just a 1 bedroom. I don't know. They must have, because they added on from right there to right, all right there.
Yeah, they did. They tried to do a lot.
And I wouldn't think this house was, and they end up selling this house. I bet you they don't get half of what they they asked for. Because the next time we're gonna go down to 18 or 17 or 18.
All depends.
Are we gonna stay up there for a while? See who owns this, a bank?
Yep.
The only thing I like about this house is the backyard.
Yeah, you know, if I was you, I would often, I'd tell them, say, I'll take 10 right now. It's worth 10. I mean, dude.
Which one?
I'm just saying, you could put
which one of them?
You can put a closet upstairs.
I wasn't coming to this motherfucker.
I mean, for the kid. Kid.
But no, Liz and them coming home too.
Oh, okay. Oh. Now forget it, then you can't.
I mean, Liz and them. No, because she needs a motherfucking spot for motherfucker.
And she got how many kids?
No, she got them more.
Oh.
She ain't got them no more. She doing this motherfucker.
It's a shame. Look at that. That's not even a bed.
That's why I said cut through it. Because I thought it was just that. Like I said, I see the other one as a better thing.
You think it's a better buy?
Steve, what you
Allendale.
say? Or what are you? If Oregon, all things, would you go for it? If just tell me how you would go for it.
This one?
Yeah, out of both of them, how you would go? Just tell me how you would go.
I would go with the other one.
Yeah.
I wouldn't go for this one. Unless I can get it cheap.
If you get it cheap too, you go with it.
Yeah.
If I got that one for that much, and then got this one for 10, you would have took both of them.
Yeah.
I agree.
I'm
I
serious.
agree.
We can just,
Man,
like I
this
said, we can
one-
get
it's
that
not
one.
bad.
We're not gonna just wait on this one.
Well, you don't want to have two contracts.
No, I say I can get that one.
Mm-hmm.
If they give it to me, then I can just come back, wait a couple months, and then come back and get this one.
Because this
That makes sense.
is gonna be empty